Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on OnePlus 15R. So in order to go to the recovery mode, first we're gonna restart our phone. I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button to open the power menu, and then we're gonna slide up over here to restart the phone. Now once that happens, once we restart, immediately after that you want to press and hold volume down. And you want to keep holding volume down all the time until you go into the recovery mode. So there we go, we have the OnePlus logo, but I'm still holding volume down. And there we go, now we are in the recovery mode. Now in here, in this mode, you can just keep touching the screen. You can just tap on English in order to choose this language. And there we go, now we are in the recovery mode, simple as that. Now, in addition to that, if you want to exit the recovery mode, you can just simply choose reboot device and then confirm by pressing OK. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.